So this one is a what? Repeating pattern. Now there is one more pattern which is known by applying the rule. Okay, now what is that rule? Let us see. Now pattern can be extended by using the rule. Okay, so we can write down by using rule, pattern can be extended. This is mostly applicable when you are doing with the numbers. Now for example 10, 20, 30. Next, if you will see, either this is a table of 10 or when you move from 10 to 20 you have to add here plus 10. Plus 10. So when you move to here, you will add plus 10, you will get here what? 40. Here 50. So it is using a rule. A specific rule is applicable over here. One more. Or you can say 50. Here if you see, when it moving from 50 to 40 there is a reduction. Minus 10. Minus 10. Minus 10 will give me 20. Minus 10 will give me 10. So this is a certain rule which is used. So write down these two different types of pattern. One is repeating, one is by using a rule for extending the pattern. Then there is one more which is known as growing pattern. Growing pattern are of two types, increasing pattern and reducing. Okay. I will explain you today all the patterns and then we will start with the exercise. Now third part we are going to go about here. It is known as growing pattern. Now what is this growing pattern? This growing pattern, it is used mostly into design. When we form a number pattern, when we form a letter pattern, when we form a pyramid. Okay. So let us see. Now what is this growing pattern? Now in this you can see it grows. In this pattern, the growing pattern itself is nothing but else it is increasing pattern. Okay. Now see how is that increasing pattern. It can be applicable for numbers. It can be applicable for designs. Okay. Now first if we will take an example, now here it is A. Okay. I will write down example. First we will see with A. Then next will be A. Now next you will see it is increasing. Now here it was single A, double A, triple A. So now next 2 will be 4 times A, 5 times A. Okay, so this is nothing but we are into increasing mode. See the next now. What can be the next? So here will be 4 balls. Here will be 5. So I am increasing the things. Okay. So it can be very familiar. It's not suppose that you have to be stick with only numbers. Here it can be a picture. Here it can be geometrical shapes. I'll show you one geometrical shape here. Two triangles. 3 triangles. Now here what I can draw, if you can imagine something, four triangles. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here can be, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So draw it little properly. Okay, or 5. So we got 5. Okay. So this way we can form an increasing pattern. Write it down. Growing pattern or increasing pattern. Here gradually the picture or the given numbers or the given letter they increase. Okay. Okay, fine. Now we will see next. Let us find out next. Now next is nothing but the reducing pattern. Okay. The name itself says reducing. What we are doing? We are shrinking that pattern. It is also known as nothing but what? Shrinking. What is the meaning of shrinking? Shrink. Suppose if you have a very big cloth, okay? If you try to make a ball out of it, it becomes shrink. It gets some wrinkles, okay? So it can be called as a shrinking pattern. For example, over here. Now here was 4 triangle, here 3, 2, 1. So this is what we have done. We have shrink it, okay? We have reduced its size. So from growing pattern it is going towards the reducing pattern. Now suppose if I take some one example of, if I take a design of a flower, okay? 5 petals. Now when I draw next will be 1 petal will be withered off. So 4. So here 3. Then 2. Then 1. Okay. So in this way, what happened? The picture got shrink. Okay. So this is nothing but about reducing patterns. Right now. So today we have studied about 4 patterns. What is pattern first? It is formed when shapes, numbers, letter, designs are repeated in certain manners. Then what are its different types? So its different type is nothing but repeating pattern. In this a particular unit is repeated. Then the next pattern is formed is growing pattern or the rule pattern where the particular rule is applicable. Then the next which comes is about growing pattern or it is also known as increasing pattern. In this the reduced pattern goes increased way. So from what we can say ascending order, and this we can talk about descending order, that is reducing pattern. So I hope you have understood this today's very delicate topic. We hardly have few exercises in it, that is exercise 14.1 and 14.2. In the next topic we will cover it. Okay, thank you class.